was sunny and 61. St. Louis was sunny and 77. Kansas City was mostly sunny and 80. Des Moines was mostly sunny and 83. Milwaukee was mostly sunny and 67. Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. Timing: the strongest winds will occur late this afternoon. Winds southwest 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to around 45 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. Unsecured outdoor objects may be blown around Sunday afternoon. Driving will be difficult for high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory means that winds over 30 miles per hour or gusts over 45 miles an hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.
Here is a special weather statement. Elevated fire danger until sunset today. Strong southwest winds, very mild temperatures, and dry air will continue to present an elevated fire danger late this afternoon and early evening until sunset. Southwest winds from 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour will lead to rapidly spreading fires where there is dry vegetation. Burning is strongly discouraged in these conditions.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WXJ71 listening area, a wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following county: Mason, Illinois. A wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. A wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following county: Putnam, Illinois. And now a discussion of hazardous weather conditions.